Are you struggling to gain weight? You're not alone. Many people find it challenging to put on weight, but gaining weight can be simple and healthy if done right. Today, we will explore how to gain weight scientifically. We'll break it down into easy steps for you to follow. This method will help you achieve your weight gain goals effectively. The key concept here is calorie surplus. This means eating more calories than your body burns. To gain weight, aim for 300 to 500 extra calories daily. First, calculate your daily calorie needs. Use an online calculator or formula to do this. Write down the number of calories you need to maintain weight. Next, add 300 to 500 calories to that number. This new total is your goal for daily calorie intake. Aim to reach this goal every day. Consistency is crucial for gaining weight. Now focus on nutrient-dense foods. These foods provide more calories without excess volume. Include foods like nuts, avocados, and whole grains. Incorporate protein into your meals as well. Aim for 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Good sources include chicken, fish, beans, and dairy products. Don't forget about healthy fats. They have more calories per gram than carbohydrates or protein. Add olive oil, coconut oil, and fatty fish to your meals. Consider strength training as part of your routine. Lifting weights builds muscle, which helps you gain weight. Train 3 to 4 times a week for the best results. Stay hydrated, but be mindful of when you drink. Avoid drinking large amounts of water right before meals. It can reduce your appetite. Make meal prep a priority. Preparing meals in advance ensures you stay on track. Plan your meals and snacks around your daily calorie goals. Progress is essential. Keep a food diary to track your intake. This way, you can see what works best for you. If progress stalls, increase your calorie intake gradually. Listen to your body and adjust when necessary. Let's look at an example. If your maintenance calorie needs are 2,500, aim for 2,800 to 3,000 calories daily. Include a breakfast with eggs and toast, lunch with chicken and rice, and a heavy dinner. For snacks, try nut butter on bananas or yogurt with granola. These options are calorie-dense and nutritionally beneficial. In summary, gaining weight scientifically involves eating a calorie surplus. Calculate your needs, focus on nutrient-dense foods, and strength training. Keep track of your progress and adjust as needed. Remember, weight gain is a gradual process, so be patient with yourself. If you're ready to start this journey, subscribe for more tips and guides. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's tackle weight gain together.